Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great as always and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to do this or that and actually doing it version. So I'm going to do I'm going to pick one option and I'm going to actually do it in front of you guys and and also it's a workout version, so I have 2-3 questions with me and I'm going to answer those in front of you and then I'm going to do those workout in front of you so you guys can see. And so let's get into the video. So the first question is squats for 1 minute or burpees for 1 minute. So my answer is definitely squats for 1 minute. I'm not going to do burpees for 1 minute. So yeah, let's get into doing squats for 1 minute. So as I said, I'm going to do squats for 1 minute and you guys will be able to see if I'm capable of doing squats for 1 minute, and I'm going to set the timer right in front of you and so let's begin. So this is the 1 minute timer and I'm going to start it and then I'm going to do squats for 1 minute. So I've started it and now you guys can see me. So okay, this looks easy for a lot of people who think it's easy. It is not. Yeah, it's not that easy. It looks easy, just like you have to sit, but it is difficult. Oh my god, it's very difficult. I've never done this for a minute, like not more than 30 seconds. Oh my god, this is so difficult. I'm just not able to do this anymore. This is getting hot. Oh god.
My legs are peeling now. 10 more seconds. Oh god. Oh god, I just gave up.
So as you guys saw, I gave up on the last 10 seconds. I could have waited for more 10 seconds, but I just couldn't do it. It's difficult. Okay, guys can try this at home, but it's difficult. Okay, it's very difficult. So moving on, let's go to the next question. So the second question is windmill for 1 minute or arm circles for 1 minute. Arm circles for 1 minute. It is easier definitely than windmill. I think it's easier. Comment down what is easier for you, windmills or arm circles. So now I'll do arm circles in front of you guys. Yeah, last time I just failed in doing squat, but hopefully I'll do arm circles this time. So yeah, let's get into doing this. So now I'm going to do arm circles for 1 minute. I think arm circles is way more easier than the squats, because I don't know, it's just easier for me. Comment down what is more easier for you guys, arm circles or squats. Sometimes both are difficult, but for me arm circles are easier than squats. So now I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute. Last time I just gave up and 10 seconds were left. I hope I don't do the same thing this time. So let's begin. I've started it and I'm going to start doing arm circles. It's done. I completed my arm circles for 1 minute and thank god I completed this. Those I would have been so embarrassed. So yeah, now let's go on to the next question. So the next question is squats knee to elbow for 1 minute or jogging for 1 minute. Jogging at one place for 1 minute. So Of course, my answer is jogging at one place for 1 minute, not the other one, because this is easier. So yeah, now I'll do this and you guys will see it. So let's go into it. So here is my timer for the next round and I've started it. So let's begin.
Just 40 seconds.
So as you guys saw, I gave up at 18 seconds. I could have done more, but I was just tired enough to do all this. So I think I should improve. I should increase physical activity so I can do all this properly. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down if you want more such videos, and also comment down what kind of videos you want me to upload next. So until I upload my next video, bye.